Un vieux pêcheur m'a toujours dit, la mer ne nous appartient pas, mais nous, on appartient à la mer. Avant de partir, le premier rituel, c'est de refaire le matos. Concernant l'océan, je pense que c'est notre garde-manger à nous. Ça nous permet de vivre avec ce que la mère nature nous donne.
I'm Marguerite Ayarwi. I'm from Tahitian, French Polynesia, and I'm currently a PhD student working on tropical small-scale fisheries. I grew up surrounded by the ocean, so it has always been a passion for me. As Polynesian, because we live on islands that are surrounded by the ocean, it's part of us. Everything we do, we see the ocean. Everywhere we go, we see the ocean, so it's just part of our environment. Rahui is actually an ancestral institution, which was a temporary closure in an area we would stop fishing or harvesting something. Nowadays, the purpose of a Rahui has evolved with time because we're trying to reconnect to our culture, to face the new environmental issues we're all facing today. Before any Rahui were set up in the Taiarapu Peninsula, a lot of fishermen have reported less fish than before. We believe that Rahui is a way to help coral reef conservation by stopping fishing for a certain period of time to let the entire ecosystem recover. Currently, I'm working on 5 coral reef fish species to study their life history parameters, how fast they grow, at what size and what age they would start spawning, so that for the Rahui we can help communities to decide how long they should put their Rahui for. The ocean will be very different if we don't have coral reef anymore, because coral reefs are not just colorful rocks, but they are the home for a lot of different species, and the planet will be totally different without all of those organisms. But also the people who rely today on those coral reefs for livelihood won't have that livelihood anymore.
L'océan en est rien. Sans l'océan, on n'est rien. Pour moi, le Rahui, c'est très important. Très, très important. C'est un bon système. Mais il faut la respecter. C'est notre patrimoine.
Je pense que nos ancêtres, ils n'étaient pas aussi bêtes que ça. Malgré qu'ils n'ont pas les moyens modernes qu'on a aujourd'hui, ils avaient mis des Rahui en place pour prévoir le futur. Et maintenant, il faut qu'on entre aussi, on suive un petit peu le même chemin qu'ils nous ont laissé. Il faut respecter le Rahui, comme ça, le poisson peut partir à droite et à gauche pour repeupler un petit peu les zones qui ont été, on va dire, surpêchées.
A Rahui can be identified today as a form of marine conservation, but for us it is more than just managing the environment. A Rahui is part of our culture. It helps us reconnect to the environment.
Le nom du puna s'appelle Maroter. C'est une dame de nos ancêtres qui vient ici attendre les pêcheurs. Et le premier qui rentre doit faire une offrande à la dame. C'est important le positionnement du puna. Il faut toujours mettre la tête vers la terre et la queue vers le large. C'est pour attirer le poisson.
The Rahui brings us back to that thinking and that belief. We're trying to reconnect to this culture and use those tools that our ancestors had, but still serve nature. For something to work, we need to all be engaged in that. It's not just about stopping fishing, but it's about bringing the community together around one goal.